All right, I want to do a quick little Scamp video here, you guys. So this is made in Minnesota. Go ahead, you want to walk me through these things real quick for my YouTube channel? Go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
Well, here we are, you guys. They're made in Minnesota.
Built here right in Minnesota. So this is our 19-footer deluxe layout 8
Right.
is what that is.
Right.
They're custom-built trailers. You just pick out your layout that you want, and you can pick and choose whatever options you want, and we will build that trailer right to your liking.
Okay.
So this is our 19-footer. Anytime you get a deluxe model in our Scamps, you're going to get a choice of either the oak or the birch.
Okay.
And then this particular layout, you got a bathroom here, bathroom shower.
Okay.
In this one, you got the stairs going up to the bunk bed.
Right. Are they made just in Minnesota or someplace else?
They are built right here in Minnesota.
By Brainerd, right?
We are Bacchus, Minnesota.
Back, okay.
Yep, we are factory direct. We have no dealers nationwide, so we sell them right to our customers.
There's been a lot of problem in the RV business with poor quality, and you guys are pretty quality. There's
Yes.
Liz Amazing is on YouTube, and she's real good at calling on people out.
Yep, we have been in business for 53 years, third generation, family owned and operated, and we do not sublet any of our trailers.
That's what I thought.
We build them from ground up.
I've drove by your place many times.
Yes. So this will convert into a table back here, really quick and simple. All you got to do is just flip this up right here. This comes out of the way. You can just set that aside. You got your leg that just pops up like this. Nice and quick and simple.
Oh, wow.
Now you got a dinette.
No, oh my.
This one has our upgraded stove top. You got the glass top. It is recessed down into the counter, so when you're not using the stovetop burner, you can flip this down and have a nice flat smooth surface for more counter space.
All right.
Is that just like
This
your
is
little bedroom
our
back there?
optional microwave, and this one is our optional large fridge. So you got our normal freezer.
What's your warranty on these when you sell them? What's your warranty?
The frame and the shell, the industry standard is a 1 year on the frame and on the shell. All of the appliances and everything else have a 1 to 3 year warranty on it.
Okay.
We also do offer an extended warranty that would extend everything out on the trailer to 7 years.
Okay, cool. All right. Let's look at the other one real quick. All right, you guys, look at the other one. So this one is
our 16-footer.
16-footer, okay.
So this one is our 16-footer. It's a layout 6. This is our most popular model in the 16-footer. You got your front bathroom and shower.
Nice little header. How much does a black tank hold?
It's 6 gallons is what the black tank holds.
Okay.
This is our, like I said, this is our most popular model because this is our side dinette. You can sit down and have coffee, play cards, and not have to convert this bed into the table. You still have a table in this.
What kind of vehicle can pull this? What kind of vehicle?
This particular trailer weighs right around 2,000 pounds. So a small SUV.
Like a CRV?
A small SUV. You just got to check the tow rating on your vehicles. Any vehicle that will tow 2,500 to 3,000 pounds, you would be just fine.
I go by the philosophy: you pull your house, you drive your car.
Yeah.
Right. Let's look at the other one real quick. All right, you guys. My favorite. I talk about Scamps all the time. So here we go. Well, the people are in this one, but this is a smaller one. This is kind of a
13-footer, yes.
13-footer.
This is the smallest one that we offer. So.
And that's mainly a camper. Is it? You can make it into a bed in there too as well.
Yes. So this is our 13-footer. This is what they call our layout 1. So this does convert into that bed just like the other one.
Like a single guy or
Yes.
something, so you can.
This one does not have a bathroom, but you can get a bathroom.
Correct. And do you have a TV would go on this or not? Can you have a TV that could roll down here or not?
You can have a TV package. If you got the TV package, it would go back there in that corner.
So you can sit here in bed. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
This is the layout 1, so you got your sofa that does convert into a bunk bed.
Wow, okay.
Otherwise, if you get a layout 2, you would have the bathroom up front here. This sofa does convert into a bunk bed. You just flip this back portion of the
Oh wow.
back up.
Oh my word.
And that converts into a bunk bed.
Well, also, if you're out, the grandchildren want to come go.
Absolutely.
You can kind of bring this up to the cabin, and the kids can do some camping with your grandfather.
Yes.
The kids can be a little camping. Great.
Yes, they can. Yep.
And what does something like this go for?
This starts at $19,900, and then we will build it to your liking, whatever.
This one is sold. Yep. All right. Well, perfect.
We have many in stock.
Right. No, I know. That's
Yep.
nice. Well, beautiful. Well, thank you very much for your time. Appreciate
Thank you,
it.
sir.
Thanks,
Have a
guys.
wonderful day.
All right, you guys. There you go. That's why I like Scamp. So there you go. We would do a separate video for the Scamp. So, anyways, guys, there we go.